Hello students, welcome back to your class. Today we will read chapter 16 of your English book. Chapter name is Puppy and I. In this chapter it is a poem. A boy is describing when he went to the downhills for bread. In the way he met with a man, then a horse and then a small puppy. The poem Puppy and I shows how a boy befriends with puppy while walking. They become perfect friends and have fun together. In the poem, the boy is happily walking when he meets a man and a horse on the way. He met a man, and then when they went down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? Now boy is asking from the man, will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. Now second time he met with a horse are going down the village to get some bread. Where are you going? Now they ask the boy if he wishes to join them, but the boy refuses as he did not find it exciting. After a while, the boy meet a small dog. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Now the boy is start talking with the puppy. He is saying now the boy is unable to hide his excitement as he too wants to go to hills and he have some fun. Finally express his desire. He wants to go to hills. He finally expresses his desire to puppy. They become friends. When he asks from puppy, where are you going? And he also want to make some fun. He also want to go up the hills. He also want to roll, also want to play. So he will come with puppy and they will go together. They become friends and the boy is glad that he has finally found a friend with one whom he can have fun and frolic. This is a writer of this poem. Now you will do its exercise. Where was the man going? Man was, now tell me, where was the man going? The man was going to the village. Look at here. We have already read the man was going to the village. Now second question is, what was the horse going to get from the village? The horse was going to get some food. As he went by means, tick the correct. He went by means, you have to tell the its meaning. As he climbed up the hill, as he passed the way. So its answer is as he passed the way. So you have to tick the second option. Why did the boy finally go with the puppy? Why did the boy last में boy puppy के साथ क्यों जाना चाहता है? Because he also want to make some fun. Give opposite of the given words. First word is, read it. First word is down. So its answer down, up, come, go, day, night. So you have to write here its answers. Down you will write up, come, go, and day its answer is night. So you have to complete its exercise.